Welcome back to Auto Junction, the hub where luxury meets performance and innovation meets passion. Before we dive into today's review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because here at Auto Junction we bring you the most detailed insights into the world's most exclusive machines. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we are stepping into a world of unmatched opulence and road presence, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome, a creation that redefines what luxury travel truly means. At first glance, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome doesn't just look like a vehicle, it looks like a palace on wheels. Bentley has always been about grandeur and timeless design, and they've carried that philosophy into this motorhome in the most breathtaking way. The exterior is a statement of elegance with Bentley's iconic front grille dominating the fascia, flanked by crystal-cut LED headlights that sparkle like jewelry. The sleek body lines stretch across an extended frame, showcasing a harmony of strength and grace. Chrome accents are tastefully integrated, and the massive alloy wheels carry the signature Bentley emblem, giving it the aura of sophistication, even when parked. The rear is equally elegant, with a modern taillight design and seamless panels that maintain Bentley's tradition of understated luxury while still catching every eye on the road. Step inside, and this is where the Bentley Motorhome truly sets itself apart. The interior is less like a motorhome and more like stepping into a five-star suite. Bentley has crafted this cabin with the finest leathers, hand-stitched details, and wood veneers sourced from rare, sustainable sources. The lounge area is spacious and draped in comfort, featuring reclining leather armchairs, an extendable dining table, and an entertainment system powered by the latest OLED displays. Customizable ambient lighting allows you to set the perfect mood, while the panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, making every journey feel open and airy. Moving further inside, you'll find a fully equipped gourmet kitchen that rivals what you'd see in luxury apartments. Premium appliances, smart storage solutions, and handcrafted cabinetry elevate the cooking experience to pure indulgence. And when it comes to rest, the Bentley Motorhome spoils you with a master bedroom featuring a king-size bed, upholstered headboard, and premium bedding. The bathroom is another masterpiece. Marble finishes, rainfall shower, and high-tech fixtures create a spa-like atmosphere on wheels. Every inch has been designed not just for function but for an experience that embodies Bentley's DNA of refinement and exclusivity. Performance-wise, Bentley has ensured that this motorhome is not only luxurious but also powerful. Underneath, it is powered by a hybrid powertrain combining a V8 engine with advanced electric assistance, producing enough power to move this grand tourer effortlessly while maintaining remarkable efficiency for its size. With around 600 horsepower, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome glides smoothly on highways, offering stability and quietness that only a brand like Bentley can deliver. Adaptive air suspension ensures the ride remains cloud-like even on rougher terrains, while state-of-the-art driver assistance technologies, from adaptive cruise control to 360-degree cameras, make maneuvering this luxury giant surprisingly effortless. Of course, a Bentley is not just about getting from one point to another, it's about how you feel on that journey. The motorhome includes advanced noise cancellation technology, delivering a whisper-quiet cabin so you can enjoy your favorite music or simply the sound of silence. For those who want to be entertained, a built-in multimedia suite with smart connectivity, voice commands, and high-speed internet ensures you are always connected, whether for work or leisure. Now let's talk about pricing, because exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is expected to start around $1.5 million, and with bespoke customization options, which Bentley owners absolutely love, it can easily push past $2 million. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, crafted for those who demand nothing but the very best in every aspect of their life. So, who is this Bentley Motorhome for? It's for the traveler who refuses to compromise, for the one who wants to experience the world without leaving behind the comforts of a luxury residence. It's for those who believe that the journey should be as extraordinary as the destination itself. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts and luxury lovers. And most importantly, hit subscribe to Auto Junction, because we have more incredible reviews of the world's most exotic cars and motorhomes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.